Hello boys and girls, hello mommies and daddies. Welcome to an activity guide of learning with Daddy Henry. My name is Henry.
My name is Emma.
My name is Lucy. And he's our Henry.
That's me. And today we are going to make our Goodnight Daddy's very first Gingerbread Man story come to life. Yay! As most of you may know, we will be going to Tainan on December 10th to the Magic Bakery, 魔法烘培, to make our Goodnight Daddy's Gingerbread Man story come to life with all of these wonderful cookies and frostings and glaze. Okay, now both of you know the story of the Gingerbread Man, right? Where did the old lady and the old man live?
In a little house.
In a little house. And today we are going to make a gingerbread man house, right? And after they were in the house, they got a little hungry, so they made a little
Gingerbread Man.
Where's the gingerbread man?
Over here.
Oh, right there, up there. Here we go. Gingerbread man. That's right, a little one. Okay, and then the gingerbread man got up, right?
And then start running away like this.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Run, run as fast as you can. You can catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
There you go. Are you okay, gingerbread man? Are you okay?
Stabbed.
All right. Well, as you know, there are also some animals in the story. Now, Lucy, what animal can you remember from the story?
A cow.
A cow, that's right.
A
now,
horse.
A horse, there you go. Horse.
A pig.
A pig. Okay, we said that this was going to be the pig, right? Because the face is a little shorter, right? So this is the pig.
And the fox.
This is the cow. And then, okay. Once again, thank you to Magic Bakery, 魔法烘培 in Tainan. They sent us this all the way from Tainan. Okay, very carefully too. But I'm sorry, the fox had a little accident, so we're not gonna be.
Well, the fox ate the gingerbread man.
So the fox is being punished.
Yes.
Okay, for eating the gingerbread man. Well, that makes sense. That makes sense. But thanks again to 魔法烘培 from Thailand for sending us all this stuff. Now, before we start, we are going to talk about some of the things we'll be using. What is the difference between frosting, icing, and glaze? Well, frosting is the thickest, right? Emma, you talk a little bit
More
about.
of a cream.
Yes, it's more
creamy texture.
Right, it's more of a base, so you could use them to actually glue the cake, the stacks of cakes, the layers of the cakes together. Icings for the top, outside of the cake, and glaze are more like this, very thin, mostly for decoration. Excuse. Gesundheit. Okay, so this is glaze that we'll be using, and this is probably a little closer to
Frosting.
frosting. Yes. All right, Lucy, I know. You know Lucy. She's always hungry, so this is not gonna be easy for her. This is a little bit more frosting to put the houses together. Now, this is the front of the house. Okay, that's the back of the house.
And that's the roof, right?
Yes, the rectangle here will be the roof, the two sides of the roof, and these are the sides of the house. Okay, so that's pretty much it, right? And oh, Lucy, do you like these? What are these?
Jelly bean.
Jelly bean. Do you like jelly beans?
Yeah.
I love jelly beans. So you could use jelly beans or M&M or chocolate or lots of small candies for decoration. All right, well, hey, are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready? Here we go. Let's make a gingerbread house, a gingerbread man, and lots of cute small gingerbread animals. Are you eating?
No, I didn't know there was a hole in it already.
Okay, let's just get started. Let's get started. All right, here you go. Come on.
So we put this here first, okay? And then get this piece. I'm gonna put some frosting on the side, and I'm gonna be holding this like that, like this, and you're gonna glue it over here.
Okay. So I will hold it.
Okay, then if you hold it, I'll glue it. No, it's just getting the excess off. Okay, hold on. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Let it go. Let it go. It's okay. This is hard.
Yeah, this is hard.
Oh, I get it now.
Round 2.
Okay, let it go. Stay!
Yes, this one.
It's not. No. Okay.
Okay.
우디.
Oh my god.
Round 3.
Okay, perfect. Yay! Okay, let's put jelly beans on top.
Yeah.
Yay! Well done, Lucy. Well done, Emma. Look, we made our gingerbread man story come to life with a house and all of the animals. Let's take a look. Well, we'll start with the cow. Who made the cow?
Me.
Which one is the cow?
This.
Do you think that looks much like a cow?
No.
But it's okay. We get it. We get it. Who made the pig?
We both did.
Yes, that's a very cute little pig. And then, of course, our main character, the gingerbread man. And then our cameraman just said that your horse kind of looks like a dog, Lucy. Were you trying to make a horse or a dog?
A horse.
Okay, I believe you. I believe. Last but not least, another very important character in our gingerbread man story, our fox.
The broken fox.
The broken fox.
Yeah.
It doesn't look so broken anymore. I think it looks a little bit like Pikachu.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Pika, pika.
Okay, well, and then of course, last but not least, the beautiful house that you two made together. Well done. Give yourselves a hand. Good job.
The house kept falling.
Yeah, I know. Well, I hope, well, we'll just eat it later, right? We don't want to make the cookies sad. We have to eat the cookies for them to be happy. Ah, not yet. Give it a few more minutes. Okay, once again, Merry Christmas. We'll see you in Tainan on December 10th, Saturday. There will be 3 activities, one in the morning from 10:30 to 11:30, 2 in the afternoon, one from 1:30 to 2:30, and the third one from 3 to 4. We'll see you there in Tainan. Thank you very much, 魔法烘焙, for sending this to us. Thank you, Ting Ting. And well done. Well done. Run, run as fast as you can, or else they'll eat you, my gingerbread man. Don't worry, they're not eating the fox. They're not eating the fox. They're not eating the fox because, see, you can't eat the fox.